don't stop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm my name is Frank. Today I decided to post a video on my channel. This video also contains makeup for beginners, how to do the daily routine makeup for beginners. So do stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. It's going to be beneficial to someone out there. So first of all, you're going to get your pencil, your concealer pencil, eyebrow, and draw your eyebrow. Draw your eyebrow to get your shape. Come over here. Sorry guys. There's the way my eyes looks like, so I need to get a perfect shape of this particular one. I always find it difficult to draw this particular one, but today I'm just going to give it a try. Yeah, because this particular idea is giving me a lot of time, a lot of difficulties, but yeah. So as you can see, it's actually equal. Yeah, it's actually equal together. It's actually equal to each other. Yeah. If not equal, at least it's something for one to begin with. Your concealer is the kind of product that make it up. Then you place it this side. Apply. You just keep blending. You have a good shape. Most of all, the product matters a lot, so you need to get a product that fits your skin. So most of this probation in the Philippines is really hard to get. So you just need to get to the one that's almost of your skin. Almost. When I mean almost of your skin. You must not be perfect while drawing your makeup. What is important in this particular in doing your makeup is the blending aspect. It's very, very important. Yeah, sorry guys, I made a mistake here. Yeah. So, yeah, I think I've gotten it back. So you just need to blend it to be at least it's manageable. At least I say it's a basic. So yeah, you come over here, you make it equal. Wherever I was not being taught on how to do makeup, so I would like to share for those people who feel like if they see makeup so difficult for them to apply on their face to go out. I'm getting something that is nice.
Don't stop.
Even though it's not perfect, but it's just for learners like us, learners out there just like me, to be practicing every day, spending a lot of money. Yeah. If you don't leave me alone. I think I'll go with this. So please, if not the same, they almost look alike. It must not be compulsory that they should look like sisters. So you know, some of our face, it does not look actually. But someone like me that have a problem, I not say I have a problem here, but I find it difficult to get my eyebrow over here than this place. So one of it must not, they must not look the same, but you just need to like try to draw your eyebrow properly so that it can be presentable for other people to admire. So that's it. As I said, I was not taught on how to do my makeup. I just sat down and thought, myself. Yes, and most of the time I don't like. Most of the time actually, like Mondays to Saturdays, most especially, I do makeup by going out. So most of the time it's actually my natural face. But the days I do my makeup is on Sundays, usually on Sundays. So whatever I put on my face to me is okay. So because I'm just confident on myself. Even though I don't do makeup, even though I do makeup, I still look good. Yeah. So first of all, you need to have the confidence of looking good for yourself first. Yeah. It's not compulsory you need to learn how to do makeup. It's not really compulsory. If you're confident in carrying your natural face around, it's okay. No one will question you. But when you know that if you're not confident of taking, you just want to like, okay, once in a while you just want to do makeup, yeah, you can just sit down and do it yourself. It's not difficult. It's really not difficult to do it yourself. So after that, you blend. You keep blending. You keep blending. You keep blending. You keep blending. It's very important. Blending is very important. That is one thing I love about my makeup. That's one particular basic thing I need to learn. Blending. As you can see, the eyebrow I'm talking about. No, but yeah. So I think I'm just going to do this.
If you're leaving me, then I wish you the best. I hope you find what you're looking for. One last kiss goodbye, and you need to know.
Doesn't matter.
If you love me, don't let me go. One last kiss goodbye, and you need to know. If you love me, don't let me go. If you love me, I'll be waiting at home. If you don't leave me
I just want it to dry it and I'll arrange it. So
if you want me, tell me. I need to know.
as I said, our product here in the Philippines,
If you love me, don't let
we
me
don't actually, we find it difficult to get our color here. So we just manage what we have. Like this particular color, some people might say is so light or
What
it's
you
so dark to
see
my
is just
skin.
what I am.
But that is it.
Make my
It
way
is
in
what
the
it is.
world, and I can make it alone. But if you love me, don't let me go. 'Cause there's a whole lot of men right here with a whole lot of love to share. My mom and daddy raised me right. Tip your hat, son, be polite. Someone